The following information comes from the essay titled Climate Change Summary at GuyMcPherson.com. It was last updated August 2nd, 2016. This video summarizes self-reinforcing feedback loop number 6 in the essay with a focus on peer-reviewed papers and assessments from national-level governments. Greenland ice is darkening, according to a paper in the August 8, 2012 issue of the Cryosphere. As reported in the June 8, 2014 issue of Nature Geoscience, quote, a decrease in the albedo of fresh snow by 0.01 leads to a surface mass loss of 27 gigatons, end quote, annually. Any reduction in albedo is a disaster, says Peter Wadhams, head of the Polar Oceans Physics Group at Cambridge University. A paper in the December 2014 issue of Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences provides the first comprehensive picture of how Greenland's ice is vanishing and concludes, quote, that Greenland may lose ice more rapidly in the near future than previously thought, end quote. Research reported in the December 17, 2015 issue of Nature calculates spatial ice mass loss around the entire Greenland ice sheet from 1900 to the present and finds, quote, that many areas currently undergoing change are identical to those that experience considerable thinning throughout the 20th century, end quote. According to one of the paper's co-authors, quote, the average mass loss rate over the past decade is much larger than at any time over the past 115 years, end quote. Adding to the rapidity of ice melt on Greenland is cloud cover. A paper published in the January 12, 2016 edition of Nature Communications shows that clouds are playing a larger role than previously understood in heating the Greenland ice sheet. Clouds trap heat on Greenland, thus accounting for as much as 30% of the ongoing melt of the ice sheet. According to a paper in the March 3, 2016 issue of the Cryosphere, the darkening of the Greenland ice sheet started becoming significantly less reflective of solar radiation from around 1996, with the ice absorbing 2% more solar energy per decade from this point. Quote, future darkening is likely underestimated, end quote, according to the paper's abstract.